Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Do's English. I'm Jessica.
And I'm James. We're really happy you're here with us today.
If you want to speak English more naturally and confidently, you're in the right place.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us, and it helps you practice English every week.
So today's topic is very special. We're talking about New Year plans.
Yes, how to talk about 2026 plans in English in a simple and natural way.
We'll listen, we'll practice, and we'll repeat together.
Don't worry about mistakes. You're here to learn, and you're already doing great.
All right, let's begin. James, a new year is coming. How do you feel about 2026?
I feel excited, but also a little nervous.
That's very normal. Why nervous?
Because I have many ideas, many plans, but sometimes I don't know where to start.
That's a great answer and very honest. How about you, Jessica? How do you feel about the new year? I feel hopeful. The new year feels like a fresh start.
Fresh start. That's a great phrase. Let's repeat together. Fresh start.
Good job. So when someone asks, how do you feel about the new year? You can say, I feel excited. I feel nervous. I feel hopeful.
Short sentences, very natural.
Now, let's practice a very common question.
Listen first. What are your plans for the new year?
Let's say it together. What are your plans for the new year?
Perfect. This question is very useful.
James, I'll ask you, what are your plans for the new year?
My plan is to be more active.
Nice and simple. More active means more movement.
Yes, I want to walk more. I want to exercise more.
Great example. Now listen to this sentence. I want to be more active.
Repeat with us. I want to be more active.
Very good. I want to is perfect for talking about plans.
Let's give more examples.
I'll start. I want to improve my English.
Nice. I want to wake up earlier.
Great. I want to eat healthier food.
Let's pause here. Eat healthier food, very common plan.
Yes. For example, my quick breakfast is a banana.
That sounds real. Not perfect, just real life.
Exactly. Simple English is good English.
Now let's learn another very useful phrase.
I'm going to.
I'm going to sounds a little stronger. It feels like a real plan.
James, give us an example.
Sure. I'm going to exercise 3 times a week.
Nice. Let's repeat together. I'm going to exercise 3 times a week.
Good job. Jessica, your example.
I'm going to read English every night.
Very good habit. Even 10 minutes is okay.
Yes, small steps are perfect.
Now let's practice together.
Listen first. I want to save money in 2026.
Now repeat. I want to save money in 2026.
Great. Next one.
I'm going to learn something new.
Repeat. I'm going to learn something new.
Jessica, many people talk about health in the new year.
Yes, health plans are very common.
So, how can we talk about health plans in easy English?
Let's start with one simple sentence. I want to be healthier.
Repeat with us. I want to be healthier.
Good job. Now, let's make it more specific.
For example, I want to walk every morning.
Nice and clear. Walking is easy. No gym needed.
Jessica, what's your health plan?
My plan is simple. I want to sleep earlier.
Oh, that's a good one. Sleep is very important.
Yes, for example, I'm going to sleep at 11 p.m.
Let's repeat together. I'm going to sleep at 11 p.m.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about food.
Food plans are real life.
For example, I want to eat less fast food.
Yes, or you can say, I want to cook at home.
Cooking at home sounds difficult.
But it can be simple. For example, my quick lunch is rice and vegetables.
Very real, not fancy.
Exactly. Remember, real English is simple English.
Another good sentence is, I'm going to drink more water.
Let's repeat. I'm going to drink more water.
Nice, you're doing great.
Now, let's talk about learning something.
Learning something new is a popular New Year plan.
For example, I want to improve my English.
That's why you're here. Good choice.
Yes, you can also say, I want to learn new words.
Or, I'm going to practice English every day.
Even 5 or 10 minutes is okay.
Small practice is better than no practice.
James, do you want to learn something new in 2026?
Yes, I want to learn how to cook simple food.
That's great. Cooking is a life skill.
For example, I'm going to learn one new recipe every week.
Very realistic. Very good plan. Now let's learn how to continue the conversation.
Yes, don't stop after one sentence.
You can ask, why do you want to do that?
Or, when do you want to start?
Let's practice. James, I want to exercise more.
Oh, nice. Why do you want to do that?
Because I want more energy.
Great answer. Very natural.
Now you try. Okay, James, I want to wake up early.
When do you want to start?
I want to start next week.
Perfect. Now let's talk about something very real.
Not everyone has clear plans.
And that's okay.
You can say, I'm not sure yet.
Or, I'm still thinking about it.
Let's repeat this. I'm still thinking about it.
Good job.
James, do you have travel plans for 2026?
I'm not sure yet.
That's a perfect answer.
Now let's listen to a short, real conversation.
Just listen first.
Hi, Jessica. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, James.
What are your plans for 2026?
I want to focus on my health and my English.
That's great. I'm going to do the same.
Nice. Let's support each other.
Yes, let's do our best.
Simple, friendly, real.
Now let's quickly recap the most important phrases.
Repeat after us.
What are your plans for the new year?
I want to.
I'm going to.
I'm not sure yet.
Do you want to join me?
That sounds fun. Excellent. Now you try. Tell us in the comments, what is your main plan for 2026?
One sentence is perfect.
For example, I want to improve my English.
We read your comments. We really do.
Thank you for learning with Do's English today.
You are doing something great for yourself.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
And remember, small steps are enough.
See you in the next video.
Happy New Year and take care.